Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cookware sets for induction that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a professional chef or just looking to upgrade your kitchen, these cookware sets have something for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Offrank stainless steel 6-piece cookware set. This set is designed for those who want a minimalist but functional collection of pots and pans. With its 3-ply stainless steel base and aluminum core, it ensures fast and even heat distribution, which is perfect for a variety of cooking tasks. The professional-grade tempered glass lids help retain heat and lock in flavors, making it ideal for cooking meals that require consistent simmering. In terms of design, the Offrank cookware set is sleek and modern, with a silver finish that complements any kitchen decor. The pots and lids are dishwasher safe, and the stainless steel is scratch resistant, allowing you to use metal utensils without worry. However, with only 6 pieces, this set may feel limited for larger households or those who need a wider variety of cookware sizes. This set offers decent value for its durable construction and user-friendly design. However, its smaller size and lack of certain extras like frying pans may not make it suitable for everyone. If you're looking for a compact, straightforward set for basic cooking tasks, the Offrank set could be a good pick. Pros include its durable build and easy cleaning, while cons include its limited versatility and smaller number of pieces. Coming in at number 4 is the Sensarte ceramic cookware set. This 14-piece set offers a healthy, non-stick ceramic surface that is free from harmful chemicals like PFOA, PTFE, and PFAS. The ceramic coating provides excellent food release, making it perfect for low-fat cooking with minimal oil. The set includes a variety of pots, pans, and utensils, making it a versatile choice for a range of cooking styles. The design of the Sensarte set is both stylish and practical. The white ceramic interior contrasts beautifully with the wood-grain Bakelite handles, which stay cool to the touch and provide a comfortable grip. The tempered glass lids are explosion-proof and allow you to monitor your cooking without releasing heat. However, the ceramic coating requires hand washing to maintain its longevity, which might be a downside for some users. This set is ideal for those who prioritize healthy cooking and want a non-toxic, non-stick option. The wide variety of pieces makes it versatile, but its ceramic surface may not hold up to heavy, everyday use as well as some other materials. Pros include its healthy, non-toxic coating and attractive design, while cons are its care requirements and slightly less durable material. At number 3, we have the Cooktop Nonstick Induction Cookware Set. With a whopping 16 pieces, this set is perfect for anyone who wants a comprehensive collection of pots, pans, and utensils. The titanium non-stick coating ensures durability and effortless food release, making cleanup a breeze. The die-cast aluminum body is designed for even and rapid heat distribution, eliminating hot spots and ensuring consistent cooking results. The Cooktop set features a modern black finish with Bakelite handles that stay cool during cooking. The silicone-sealed glass lids provide a tight fit, locking in flavors and heat. However, the set is not oven-safe, which could be a limitation for those who like to finish their dishes in the oven. Despite this, the cookware is dishwasher-safe and compatible with all stovetops, including induction. This set offers excellent value for those who want an extensive, non-stick cookware collection. It's especially great for families or anyone who cooks a variety of dishes regularly. The pros are its large number of pieces and user-friendly design, while the cons are its lack of oven compatibility and relatively heavier weight. A runner-up is the budget-friendly Tefal stainless steel cookware set. This 11-piece set is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. It includes all the essentials: fry pans, saucepans, a sauté pan, a Dutch oven, and even a stainless steel steamer. The vented glass lids, measuring marks, and pouring spouts make cooking and cleanup incredibly convenient. The design of this set is both functional and stylish. With a polished silver finish that looks great in any kitchen, the riveted stainless steel handles provide a secure grip, and the cookware is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, it's dishwasher-safe and compatible with all stovetops, including induction. However, while the set is versatile, its stainless steel surface lacks a non-stick coating, so you may need to use more oil or butter for certain recipes. This set is ideal for those who want a durable, budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. It's especially great for high-heat cooking and browning. Pros include its excellent durability and affordable price, while cons are its lack of non-stick coating and heavier weight compared to aluminum sets. Taking the top spot is the KitchenAid Hard Anodized Induction Nonstick Cookware Set. This 10-piece set is crafted from durable, hard anodized aluminum for even heat distribution and exceptional performance. The triple-layer nonstick coating ensures effortless food release and makes cleanup a breeze, even after cooking sticky sauces or delicate foods. The set includes essential pieces like fry pans, saucepans, and a stock pot, making it versatile for everyday use. The KitchenAid set stands out with its matte black finish and stainless steel handles, giving it a premium, modern look. The cookware is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 350 degrees Fahrenheit with lids, and dishwasher-safe, making it highly convenient for busy kitchens. The thick, forged base ensures compatibility with all stovetops, including induction, and prevents warping over time. While this set is on the pricier side, its durability and performance make it a worthwhile investment. This set is perfect for serious home cooks who want high-quality cookware that can handle a variety of tasks. Pros include its durable construction, premium nonstick surface, and sleek design. The only real con is its higher price point, but for the performance and features, it's well worth the investment. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.